In case you was wondering, what exactly does pecan pie ice cream has to do with this video? Absolutely nothing. It's 9:30 at night, I have not eaten dinner yet, and I just needed to eat something real quick before I hop into this video. Simple as that. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Gourmet. And for the duration of this series, I am Chefboyardeeej. So, if you haven't already, please make sure you go check out my first video. From struggle to gourmet, man. From rags to riches right now. That's how we do it right now, baby. Man, so, let's get into episode number 2. So, I got the chicken. I got the beef. Got the garlic cloves here. Sesame seed oil. Got the brown sugar. Low sodium soy sauce. Just my chicken broth. My kosher salt, sesame seeds, my scallions, aka green onions, and a little small piece of ginger, a bunch of bottled waters, which y'all are about to find out. Got my breadcrumbs, and plenty of vegetable oil this time. Just a little bit of red pepper flakes, but it should be enough. Ground beef. Alright, man, let's hop right into this video. Let's get to it. In this large bowl, I need to mix my ground beef, about a half a cup of breadcrumbs, a few green onions, thinly sliced, 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil, some black pepper, kosher salt, red pepper flakes. Alright, now that I got my ingredients in a bowl, the first step, now it's time to just mix it all up. Okay, meatball game strong, boy. Okay. Alright, need to take a little bit of vegetable oil. Just a little bit. Alright, so I got meatballs out, now I need to add my ginger. I promise you I got the situation under control. Now I can come back and add my chicken broth and the rest of the sesame oil, which I put inside one to make it easier. The rest of my brown sugar. Alright, so I'm supposed to just mix that in like this until it's starting to come to a simmer. Then I can add my meatballs back in. So when the meatballs over there simmering, now it's time to go ahead and get on these noodles, man. Not too bad, not looking too bad. I mean, honestly, that was kind of tough to do. That was kind of tough to make right there. I'm kind of nervous. I'm kind of nervous, but gobble gobble, chop chop. Okay, not bad, boy. I like it. I like it a lot. Get some noodles up in that biz on, huh? Not bad. So what you think?
It looks like the picture. It looks exactly like the picture.
Really?
Look at this. I had to try again.
Yeah.
The noodles is good.
Okay.
I like the taste of it.
You like the taste of it? Oh, yes, sir. Okay.
Oh, this is good. I need bread on the side. This is really good.
Oh, yes, from Struggle to Gourmet, from Rag to Riches. Yes. All right. Well, peace out. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. I'll see you when I see you.